Hello friends, it's Lisa Flynn, your host of the Mindful Activity of the Day series, sponsored by Yoga for Classrooms, designed to keep you and your students calm, active, and engaged throughout the school closure and hopefully beyond. Today, we're going to practice a visualization activity. This is called Special Place, and it's one of the Imagination Vacation activity cards from the Yoga for Classrooms activity card deck. Before we get started, I'd like to invite you to find a cozy place to relax. So if you're sitting up in your chair, you're welcome to stay there. Just rest back against the back of your chair, feeling the weight of your body settling into your seat. Your feet are flat on the floor. You might choose to close your eyes if that's comfortable for you. Alternatively, you might find a cozy place to lie down. So if you've got a clean floor surface, a carpet, a towel, a yoga mat, something like that, go ahead and lie down on the floor. If you've got a bed nearby or a couch because you're at your home right now, that works too. It really doesn't matter really how you lie down, on your side, on your back, on your tummy, so long as you can really invite your body to relax and keep your focus inward. So again, closing your eyes if that's comfortable, or at least finding something upon which to focus your gaze. Something small and unmoving, is usually the most helpful. The other option you might like to try is to play some soft music. So if you've got a nice pianoscape background that you like, or some guitar, something really simple, maybe even some classical music that's very quiet and gentle, having that at a low volume in the background can be really relaxing, extra relaxing. But I would invite you not to choose music that has words in it, because that will end up competing with my voice and the visualization that I'm going to take you through right now. So go ahead and get settled in. Nice job. And let's begin. So we're going to start by bringing our awareness to our breath. So focus on your breath now. See if you can notice the cool sensation of the air coming in through your nose as you breathe in, and then noticing how that air is a little bit warmer as it comes back out through your nose as you breathe out. So inhaling through your nose, feeling the cool sensation, and then letting the air back out through your nose, noticing how it's a little bit warmer. You can also feel the movement of your breath by placing your hands on your belly, maybe one hand on your chest and the other hand on your belly. If you're lying face down on the ground, you can just feel your body's weight go into your floor and your chest and your belly area, and just noticing how your belly and chest rise and fall with your breath. Breathing in and out. Very nice. So again, we're going to visit or create a special place of our own today. Let's start by imagining that you're in a beautiful field. It's a clear day and the sky is a brilliant blue. You look around the field and you notice that there are daisies in bloom all around you. You hear birds singing in the distance. Eventually, as you walk along, you notice that there's a path opening up in front of you. You follow it for a little while and come upon a building in your favorite color. You get a little closer to the building and you see that it has a large door on the front. You come a little closer and you notice that the door has your name on it. It must be for you. Go ahead and open the door and step inside and notice where you are. Perhaps it's a beautiful location outdoors, or maybe it's a cozy room. It might be a place that you know, a place where you feel safe, secure, and peaceful. Or it might be a new place that you create right now in your mind. Picture it now. This is your special place, and in this place you are safe, peaceful, and content. This is a place where you can relax and feel good about yourself. You can do whatever you'd like in your special place. You can talk to a friend, dance, play, or just rest and do nothing. You can choose to have some alone time in your special place, letting your imagination guide the way to what would help you to feel relaxed. Perhaps you'd like to lie down, read a book, or play a quiet game. If you'd prefer not to be alone, think of all your favorite people and animals and things. You can invite them to join you in your special place. You know that anyone and everything that enters through the door accepts and appreciates you because you are you, and they love you just the way you are. This is your special place, created by you, for you. Remember who you really are: important, unique, and special. Take some time now to enjoy your special place. You might choose to look around and notice everything that you can. You might choose to listen to the sounds, smell the smells, and touch the things that you see around you. Noticing everything that you can so that after we're finished with this visualization, you might like to draw about it, or write about it, or share with your friend or the adult or even your teacher that's around you. I'm going to give you a few moments now to enjoy your special place. I'll tell you when. When you're ready, just bringing your awareness back into the space that you're in, back away from your special place, remembering that you can go back and visit your special place whenever you like. Let's take a long, slow, deep breath in through our nose and let it out through your mouth. Let's do that again together 2 more times, breathing in and out. And again, in and out. If you're lying down, I invite you to very, very slowly start to sit up. Coming all the way back up to a seated position, crisscross applesauce, or if you're in your chair, that's perfectly fine as well. Let's raise our arms to the sky on a nice deep inhale. 1 more, raising them up and exhaling them down. If your eyes aren't already open, go ahead and open your eyes and notice how you feel.